Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get TradingView on MacBook step by step. Choose whether you want the web app or the Mac app, then open the App Store or your browser and search for TradingView. Sign in or create a free account and allow necessary permissions. I'll guide you through quick setup, basic chart layout creation, and saving a workspace so you start analyzing charts right away with minimal fuss. Open the App Store to search TradingView or go to TradingView. Com in your browser. Both work well on MacBook. If you prefer the App Store version, click Install and allow the app to open. For browser use, sign in and save the site as a bookmark or install as a progressive web app for quicker access. I'll explain pros and cons and help you pick the fastest option for your workflow. After installing or opening TradingView, build a default chart layout with your preferred indicators and timeframes to save time. Configure alerts to email or push notifications so you won't miss price moves, and set drawing tool preferences for clean charts. I'll share keyboard shortcuts and workspace tips to jump between charts quickly and keep your screen uncluttered, helping you analyze markets efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.